there's some importance to your credit score. Some people have a 580 credit score. Some people got a 680 credit score. Some people even got a 780 credit score. But why is it so important to have a decent credit score? I'm going to tell you why. Because the lower your score, the more money you're going to pay for whatever it is. And I want to talk about why your credit score is so important for you to achieve your dreams and goals. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Because so many people are frustrated thinking that the credit score doesn't matter. In certain communities, they understand credit score, your FICO score, can make or break you in this quest for financial freedom. Because if you want to buy a house, they're going to go by your credit score. Yeah, they have these government programs, FHA and Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, all these cousins. Fannie Mae calling Freddie Mac, and Freddie Mac is calling FHA and say, can we help him out? Can you help a brother out? What's their FICO score? Oh, 680. Oh, we can help him out. Fannie Mae say, what their FICO score? 580. Oh man, you got to go to Freddie Mac. Freddie Mac say, oh man, they too low. Let's go to FHA. Either way, you can get a loan, but it just determines how much you're going to pay for that loan, according to your credit score. So, like I said, 580, 680, 780. A lot of people saying, oh, we can get you this, we can get you that amount of money. Yeah, but what you going to pay for it? I'm telling you this so that you can get in your mindset. Your credit score will help you save money in the long run. If you got money to pay cash for whatever you want to buy, fine. But you still need a credit score or your FICO score to be decent so you don't have to be charged an excessive amount for the things that you want in your life. Like for instance, yeah, you want to pay cash for your car, you want to pay cash for your house. Hey, if you got it like that, that's cool. Go for it. I ain't saying you don't pay cash, but I'm saying your FICO score, your credit score has more to do with your everyday life. I know people who have a car. I know people who have insurance. And if you don't know, they check your credit score before they give you a quote on your insurance. Trust me on this. They check your credit score before they give you a quote on your insurance. Your car insurance, your home insurance. If you got a good credit score, you ain't going to be charged that much. That's one of the factors of them giving you a quote. What's your social security number? Why you need my social security number? I just want a quote for my house. Oh, I want a quote for my car insurance. What's your social security number? Why you want my social security number for? Oh yeah, we're gonna do a credit check. Credit check for what? I'm getting insurance. I don't need credit. I need insurance. Or better yet, if you don't have a house, you don't have a car, it still applies to you. Why it applies to you? How many people got cable? I got cable. I got Verizon. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to say Verizon because they ain't paying me for this. I'm not going to advertise for them. But I got Verizon. When I got Verizon, they were like, okay, yeah, you want the service? Fine. You want this plan? Fine. What's your social security number? I'm like, yo, they checking my credit score to get cable? And they check the credit score and they, okay, well, you good. We're going to give you and come out this day and that day. For cable, they're going to check your credit score. To get a job, they're going to check your credit score. They're going to check your credit. So when you say, oh, my credit's not too good, hey, it's not going to stop you from getting a job, but they're going to look at your credit and say, oh, he don't pay his bills on time. Oh, man, he got a bankruptcy on his credit. Oh, man, he got a foreclosure. Oh, man, he got a lien. He got all this stuff on your credit report. Don't you know a credit report is not by the government? Yeah. The credit report is not by the government. It's a separate entity. A company that was created and connected with the banks and saying, okay, we're going to do this, engage the people and give you the information. We're going to make money by giving you the information on these people. And we can gauge on what you can charge them according to the what do you call it? According to the matrix that we make up. That's what really the FICO score is, or your credit report is. Yeah, it's telling people, yeah, this is what you have, this is what you're paying for it. If you've been making good payments or bad payments, or you've been late, or if you got a repossession or bankruptcy, yeah, it's telling people that. But all of that are numbers, zeros and ones, a matrix, a FICO score matrix, a credit report matrix. I call it the credit report matrix. You might say, well, why are you telling me this? I'm telling you this for the mere fact you're being taken advantage of if you don't have your credit score in line to get the best rates that you can get. If you got money to pay cash for your house, your car, all the things you want, you don't need a credit card or whatever, cool. Don't worry about it. I'm talking to those who have messed up credit, or whose credit is not the way it's supposed to be. It's not just paying off your bills. It's not just paying your bills on time. It's how much credit you have. It's if you have your data points on your credit report lined up. Do you have one name, one address, one job on there? And if you have all that lined up, that's going to boost your credit report up 10 to 15 points. Because let me ask you a question. When the last time you checked your credit report? You checked your credit report? How many names you have on there? Oh, I got my name on there. What's your name? John Smith. Okay, John Smith is on your credit report. Why do they have John A. Smith? Why they got John W. Smith? Why they got J. Smith? Your name is John Smith. It should be John Smith on your credit report. No other name. You got about all these other aliases. Tell them to take off those aliases. Just have John Smith on your credit report. What's your home address? 123 Main Street. So why they got all these other addresses on your credit report? Got 5 addresses. That's where I used to live at. No, you don't have to know where I used to live at. You got 3 different addresses on there. You need one address. You have how many jobs on your credit report? Oh, I got 5 jobs. I moved around a lot. Put one job on your credit report. You got one of each, it lines up with the data points. Because if you got 3 different names on there, 2 different addresses, 5 different jobs, when you go for a loan or whatever, you try to get credit, somebody gonna say, okay, yeah, what's your name? John Smith. Okay, well, who is John W. Smith? I don't know. What's your middle initial? A. So that's you? That's not you? No, it's not me. Where you live at? 123 Main Street. So why they got these other addresses on there? Who am I lending the money to? Who am I giving the credit to? John Smith, John W. Smith, John A. Smith. That's what the matrix of credit, the credit matrix is all about. Those are data points. So if you got the data points lined up, not just paying your bills on time, not just having 1, 2, 3 credit cards, they want to see if you're worthy. That's the key. Have your credit score and FICO score at a certain number so you don't get taken advantage of paying this outrageous 25, 30. Some of them charging you I'm going to say 90. Charging you 35% interest rate for a credit card they're going to give you $500. Nah, I'm talking about these credit cards. You can get 0% interest rate. I'm just talking now. You get 0% interest rate, $50,000 credit card. $25,000 credit card, 0% interest rate, 12 months. I can say it because that's the things that I experienced. So, I don't want this video to go long. It's almost 10 minutes. Like I told you before, I'm going to keep my videos 10 minutes or less. And that's what I'm accomplishing now. We're at 9 minutes, 14 seconds. Listen, I want you to type in the comments any questions that you have. And not only questions, any comments that you have pertaining to what I just told you about your FICO score and your credit report. Because I want everybody, not only in my time community, who's listening to me to understand, you don't have to pay people to fix your credit report. You can fix your own credit report. And how do you fix your own credit report? Start out. One name, one address, one job, one phone number on your credit report. Just doing that alone your credit report will shoot up 10 or 15 points. And then start from there. Check your credit report. See what's on there. See if anything on there that don't supposed to be on there. Anything on there over a certain time period, you got to take it off. If stuff is on there, it's not you, dispute it. Take it off. If there's things on there, I'm going to do another video because we're over 10 minutes. But anyway, leave in the comments if you have any questions. I'll give you some answers because this is what I do. This is what I do. So until next time, this is my life. This is my time. This is my experience. God bless.